how to turn off mentioning and tagging option in Instagram. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can turn off that. So for that we will simply open Instagram app. After that click on profile pic. Here you guys will see on top right corner three lines plus icon, also at the rate option. So simply click on these three lines. Now you guys need to scroll. Here you guys will see tags and mentions. So simply click on tags and mentions. Now here on top it will say who can tag you. So it's upon you. Allow tags from people that you follow. Don't allow tags. Allow tags from everyone. So simply click on don't allow tags. Also you guys will see when you scroll it will say who can mention you. So you have three options: allow mention from everyone, allow mention from people you follow, don't allow mentions. So simply click on don't allow mentions. Once you click on that, your tags and mentioning option will be turned off. Thanks for watching.